Roomba War 1. Roomba 760 and a 560 against each other. The GoPros mounted on them. Who's gonna win is a good question. I don't think any of us gonna win. We're like brothers, man. Look at that. Fixing some weapons on there, man. Actually, I could be the guy, I could be a girl, and just kind of like each other. What was this, 5.7, 5.16, and 7.60 are not gonna fight each other. It's more like love hate. Look at that. They're dancing together, man. They're in love. Put a sheetrock saw, double side blade. We'll see if that does any luck destroying the 560 model. Round 2 of the iRobot Roomba 560 and 760. Whoa! I think the 760 just won. Look at that. It didn't take me a couple seconds. 4 560 is down to the hole. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. Epic fail by 560 model.
760 has won.
Way to go. Now let's try the 440 model now against 760.